Hey everybody, good morning. So I've just been cleaning and doing all those chorey kind of things, washing all my canned stuff, and some news came out that I thought people would be interested in, and that is the Bear Country, um, the Gremlin has issued a martial law for 4 areas. I will post the article down below. Also, there were 2 Bear Country jets in Alaska that were intercepted by our people. I will also put an article to that down below as well. So I don't know what this means. I don't know if stuff's gonna go down. And it got really cold here for a couple of nights, so winter's coming. Get prepared, get your house in order, have stuff to stay warm. Prices are going to go through the roof for our utilities, so have wood. Look on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist. Sometimes when you're out driving around, you'll see free wood out on the curb or whatever. Do what you can to be warm. Get the small propane tanks if you have a buddy heater, and seal off any drafty areas and do what you can. But anyway, stuff's popping off. I don't know why martial law would be declared. It's in the 4 areas that I think they just annexed. Is that what they did? They acquired. So yeah, just thought I'd bring that to you. Do with that what you will. Oh, and they have gain-of-functioned the beer virus to make it now 80% unalive rate if you were to catch it. So I'm just wondering why they're still doing gain-of-function. Nobody should be doing that, so there's that. And yeah, so just a lot of odd things going on out there. But anyways, I'm going to get back to my chores. And I have a Prepper Pantry meal I'm making tonight with the last of the freeze-dried pork chops. We're going to do some apple sage pork chops with those, so that video will be coming next. And yeah, I will see you soon, and those articles will be down below. You have a great day.